Yo, yo, yo. Now I hear me loud and clear, chat. Mic check, mic check. But yo, chat, we have let me see what we have today. You know, see my screen, by the way. Let's see what we have today. We're not on the news today. No news for USD. So today should be a smooth day, chat. Oh yeah, and this I trade I'm gonna take yesterday. The bank holiday trade. But today a Friday, chat, we'll try and end off the week strong. So I'm gonna delete everything and we run the analysis. After that, get some levels markup. And we'll see what we can do for the day. See if we can try and end off the Friday strong. So yeah, chat. This weekly candle actually push back up, so we never flip. We got 8 days. Not 8 days, 8 hours left, chat. This hourly candle, yesterday, previous hourly candle closed bearish. This new hourly candle just open up, push up first. So the thing today, this daily candle, chat, we could definitely flip bearish, but would I need like liquidity? Let me see which part is top wick. This top wick will push up towards 96 levels. This could be enough, chat. This top wick, it could be enough for flip this daily candle bearish. We could look for sells going down, but before would I need for say like closures below the range. If price can manage to like close below, chat, then we would have start look for sells once we get a closure below. Once we get a closure below 69. Anything below 69 would be decent for continue down. Okay, I look for sales go down to the daily candle flip. Since we already print a top wick at 94. But if we get like a closure back above the range, so the candle don't close below 69, we close back above, then I guess we could look for buys continue up towards the current daily candle wick fill. So yeah, chat, it just depends. Since we already print a top wick, if we can manage to close below the range, then we'll look for sells. But if we print a top wick still close bullish above the range, then we could look for buys going up towards the current candle wick fill. Drop down to the 4 hour. Yesterday we range, we push up. Wait, when was this? This was the 20. No, not yesterday. Yesterday that much. 27. Alright, so right, that's how we open up yesterday. We range, we push up, and then price fall back down. So yeah, chat, as we said, this could just be like a lower high. Let's look. Yesterday the can we open up like right here, so price push up. This 4 can go basically range. After we range, price push up out of the range, we break out. After price breakout, we close back into the range. So this top wick, chat, this could just be a lower high if we can manage to flip bearish within 38 minutes. This 4 candle actually flip bearish, then you could look for sells going down once we get like a closure below. Once we get a closure below, we could look for sells going down towards the range fill, chat. That would be the idea for the sells them today. But if we print a high, and this candle still manage to close bullish above the range, the buys going up towards the wick fill, chat, that would be decent. It's just all about how we close. Yeah, it's just all about how we close, like by a smaller time frame, chat. So I'm gonna drop down to the hourly, because the more we drop down is like the more information we get. We got what, 37 minutes left in this hourly time frame. Hourly can go close bullish above. Next hourly can go open up and start for reject. So yeah, chat, if this hourly can go actually close bearish, don't be surprised, cause in order for the 4-hour candle flip and the daily candle flip, we're gonna need this hourly candle for close bearish chat, you see me? So this hourly candle re-breaking the lows, we could definitely continue down chat for flip out like the 4-hour time frame. But yeah. And for whatever reason, chat, this candle don't flip. We open up, we print a high, open up, we print a high, and then we fall down, we re-breaking the lows. So this I think, chat, if this hourly candle do continue down to flip like the 4-hour time frame, and it print a low, flip bullish, once we get like a closure back above, chat, we could look for buys going up towards the wick fill. Once we get like a closure above 84, we got clean range going up towards 88. Here's my chat. So with a look for buyers go up towards 88 if this candle for actually close above. Me, I would expect a bearish closure still, chat, because I'm bearish for the day, but we still have both idea for buys and sells. So anyway price go, we got idea for both buys and sells. So yeah, I'm gonna drop down to the 30-minute time frame. We push up, push down, print a low, price close bearish respecting, we print a high. 3 heavily bearish 30-minute candle fall all the way back into the range. Top 54, the same level where price was able to push up from, fall all the way back and we tap that level. Price start to push back up. Hold on, let me draw this out, guys. I just try to get an idea of the movements, chat, you see me? Price push up, reject, print another high, forward back down, price push up again, reject, print another high, this candle print another high, and now we reject. So this is the thing, chat. You see, if this let me move this. You see, if this, because these are the 30-minute candle, right, chat? We got 4 minutes left. If this 30-minute candle actually like close below the range, if we get a closure below the range, we could look for sells going down. Because once we get a closure below this level, chat, sells going down towards like the range fill. Where I say once we tap, let me see the exact level. 4163.32. Once we tap this level, chat, you that expect that should be the range fill. But first would I need like this hourly candle to close below the range. Here's in my chat, and then would I expect the next candle to continue down. But same thing as when I explained for over this side. Like if we get like a closure below, next candle open up, retest. Once price push down to re-break that low, we could look for sells from below 65. Go down towards the range fill, chat. Cause you expect this right as to be the range fill. Yeah. So that's basically the idea for the sells. And hopefully you understand that, chat. You see me? Price just break the highs. If we fall back and we close back into the range, below the range actually, sells going down because we got clean range going down towards 65. But yeah, that's basically the 30-minute time frame and how we look at it. We drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Basically the same thing, same idea. Yeah, and we're going to need a closure below 69. So chat, it's basically the same thing, chat. So now I'm gonna get some levels mark up, chat. After I mark up the levels, we'll wait and see if we get any entry. Almost 8:30 now, so yeah, we're just right in time. Cause we normally like get everything over with before 8:30. So we're good. I chat. So with the idea there in mind, chat, we're going to look for markups on levels. Now we already know, like, we already have a sell idea, we have a sales idea, and we also have a buy idea. So the two ideas in mind, let me just get some lines markup real quick. This would have been the range fill. How much that is? Let me measure that. It's like 50 pip range going down. We could look to go break even. Could look to put stop loss to break even once we tap 66, 41, 66. Let me see. Alright, that good. Let me measure this. Alright, chat. So this would be the range me look for take advantage of, chat. Anything below 68, anything below 68 would be clean to go down towards 63, chat. And this is a 50 pip range. So if we get some sells, would I need to see a closure below first before we take sells, chat? This candle never close below, we tap 68 and then we start for reject. So yeah, we're gonna need a closure below first. Once we get a closure below, I expect like once price taps 65, stop loss to break even. And if we can manage to fill the range, we'll look to close full at 63 levels. But we need a closure below first, and we'll close respecting. We never close below. 30-minute candle close respecting, but the good thing is it print a low first. So after we print a high, chat, we could definitely look for some sells on the re-break of this 30-minute candle lows. Because we open up, we push down first. So now that we flip bullish, we start to push up. If this candle print a high, flip back bearish, fall all the way back down to re-break its lows, then you would expect a steeper low. So if we should get activated on the re-break of the lows, you would expect price. Once price re-break this low, chat, we should be able to drive down further and print a newer low. But we're going to need a top wick first. But yeah. And if it buys them, chat, hold on. Let me see which part we need a high before mark out the buys them. Could be decent, this decent as well. Flip bearish, yeah. Alright, chat, so that good. So chat, basically, I put sell stop on the re-break of this candle lows, chat. The re-break of this 30-minute candle lows, I place sell stop. Let me give you the exact level. Hold on. Hold on, chat. We got sell stop at, yeah, that good. So chat, we got sell stop at 4168.71. No, 0.17, sorry. 4168.17. We got sell stop and the re-break of the 30-minute candle lows. But give me like 2 seconds, chat. Nothing. Hold on, let me place that real quick. Sell stop. Price. 4168.17. Chat, yeah. Just place sell stop just now and the re-break of the lows. Not activated as yet, chat. We need to see if can print a high first. See if we can print a high to at least, let me show you. See if we can at least stop this level, chat, what we have to the left. If price will like push up, print a high at 74, As I can see in the past, we was able to reject from 74, but this time I'm not take no weekend sells, chat. I won't be taking no weekend sells right here. I want to wait and see if this candle can actually reject, flip bearish. If we flip bearish and push down, re-break its lows, then what I expect once we like below 68, we got clean range going down. Price was always able to fill this range every time we close below. So yeah, chat, that's basically the idea behind the sells. Not activated as yet, but still got 26 minutes. If this candle can bring a high, flip bearish, re-break its lows, then would have be activated. But for right now, chat, may I just remove this other thing and put a red line, cause I still got sell stop. I make you know when I delete them. If this candle close bullish above the range, then I would delete sell stop. But we still got 20 minutes left, chat. We haven't closed as yet. And for the buys them, sealer. For buys, chat, remember I said if this only candle, if we don't close bearish below and we actually flip bullish, re-break its highs, we get a closure above 81, we could look for buys above 81, chat. Because anything above 81, we got clean range going up. If this candle actually push up, flip bullish, re-break its highs, close above 81, as you can see in the past, whenever we close above 81, we got clean range going up to at least 88 levels. At least this level. This is the next closest to resistance. So buys going up towards 88, that would be decent if we get a closure above. And the range going up is also a 52 pip range, so that's decent, chat. But yeah, closure above 82, would I look for buys? But for right now, we're not there yet. Still got sell stop, chat, and the re-break at the lows, cause this candle we haven't closed yet. Within 9 minutes, this candle can still flip bearish. This 15-minute candle can still flip bearish within 9 minutes, so that's why I haven't deleted sell stop as yet. If we get a bullish closure above the range, then yeah, then I would delete sell stop. Got this 1 minute time frame. Nah. But yeah, chat, now we just play the waiting game. We have both idea. We have idea for buys and we also got sell stop right now. So now we just play the waiting game. We got 8 minutes until this candle close. So let's see if we can actually flip bearish. Or if we close bullish above the range, cool. We just delete sell stop and wait for a closure above 81 or 82. Anything above 82, good to take us up towards 87 levels. But try give me like 2 seconds, my fault. And they might get copyrighted for the lose us. You even know. Mercy, most likely going to get copyright still. I try. Oh, fuck it, bro. Nah, risk it. I want to video more and react to chat, but I risk it. I just stay focused. Because most likely going to get copyright. So fuck that. Where, bro? Yeah. I chat. Let me see if this can go. So 5 minutes. We got like a minute left. So chat. Within a minute, I'm going to delete sell stop within a minute. If this can go close bullish, if this can go close bullish above the range, then I'm gonna delete sell stop because we have sell stop on the rebreak of the lows. If we print a top wick, this can go actually flip bearish, rebreak its lows. I would expect price to print a new low. So basically, I expect price to push down, fill the range overall, but before we fill the range, we have a minor resistance at 65. So once price break the lows, push down top 65, we could put stop loss to break even. Fill the range, we could close full, but we got like 30 seconds, and if this can go close bullish above the range, then I'm going to delete sell stop because the idea is off this 15. We need this 15 to re-break the low. If not, we're going to just delete sell stop and wait. Yeah, I think the hourly is still open. We still got 15. Bora Kanga still got 15 as well. And chat, if we close bullish, this is the thing. You see, if we close bullish in the range and like the higher time frame, we could look for tech buys going up, but would only like stay in this range, chat, because this is the range price in from 68 to 80, 41.80. So if we close bullish above the range, like if we close right here, next 4 I can go open up and push down first. Once we push down first, even if we tap like 70, we could put buys and the hourly can go flip. Because once the hourly can go flip, we would expect price to go up towards the top of the range. And we hold a whole price. We hold a hold for like 41.80 to get break. No, we would hold that long. Would I just take like a trade within the range? Because this is the range we're in. From 41.80 to let me put that lower, from 41.80 to 68, 41.68. But yeah, chat, so let's just see how we close. Hopefully that not too confusing. It would just be a trade within the range. The range still massive. Alright, so we'll close above on the 15. So first of all, chat, may delete sell stop because we close above. So I'm gonna delete sell stop real quick. Alright, chat. So yeah, just delete sell stop just now. And yeah, chat. So basically, as I'm gonna say, if we can get like a closure above the range, price push down first, we could look for buys going up towards 80. Yes, in my chat. But not off of this 15 though. More want to say like, I wait until the 30-minute candle close. And if we close above 80, chat, if we break out and we close above 80, close 41.81, this yellow line, we still got idea for buys going up towards 87, because this is still a clean range going up, chat. You see me? So we'll just see. But you see what happened on this 15-minute time frame? This is what I was talking about, chat. You notice how this previous candle will close bullish, right? Will close bullish into the range. The next candle will open up, the current candle will open up, will push down first. After we push down, we flip bullish and we basically like fill the range. You see my chat? So that's what I was trying to like. That's what I was trying to say. So if you never understand before, now you understand. Previous can go close bullish, the next can go push up towards the range. But this is the thing, chat. I'm not sure if price is going to break out of the range, because as I can see, this can go try, we reject. This can go try, we reject. This can go try, we reject. So I'm not sure if this candle going to actually break out. So if we did took buys just now, would basically close full chat, because we're not like holding and expecting a breakout, because price clearly show we try multiple times and we wasn't able to break out. So yeah, that's why you expect some type of rejection once we fill the range. Let me see, this was how much? Quick 46 pips. Chat, hopefully let me delete some lines so you don't get confused. I don't like when too much lines on the chart. Basically, chat, the reason why I adjust this from 68, put it at 67, because now since price just ranging, if I'm going to look for sells, it would be below 68. Would I look for sells below 67, chat, because I want sells below range 2. Basically what I mean by that, this right here, chat, when I said this is range 1, the rebreak of the lows, that's range 1. So if price push down, we rebreak the lows, I would look for sells on the rebreak of the lows. Because if price is going to print a fake out, you're most likely going to see a fake out below range 1, like price top, and then we'll just push straight back into the range once again. So that's most likely to happen once we break out range 1. So my sells, chat, my sells going to be below range 2, below 67. So if price break out, let me go back. So if price break out, chat, if we push down, push bearish, I will break out. No sells as yet. More wait for the next candle open up, print a top wick. Once that candle flip bearish, and now we're below range 2, then more look for sells below range 2, chat. Once the next candle open up, print another top wick, that would be my sells going down towards the range fill. It's just like a second, like an extra confirmation. So yeah, we're gonna avoid range 1, because clearly that's where, like, that's the range price in. So if price will push down, you're most likely going to expect a rejection at 68. So that's why I made that adjustment, chat. So sells below range 2. Same thing for the buys them, chat. Got what, 6 minutes? So chat, let me explain something to you. We got 6 minutes left, right? until this hourly candle close. Remember, I said earlier, if this 30-minute candle close in the range, we could look for buyers going up to fill the range, right? So since we already fill the range, as you can see, this 30-minute candle, we open up right here, we already fill the range. So since that already happened, this we could look for this what we could have looked for on the next 4-hour candle, the next 30-minute candle, because all of them close in 6 minutes. So if we close bullish, chat, the next 30-minute candle, the next 4-hour candle open up and we push up first. If that candle open up, push up first, we could look for some weak entry sells, because you would expect that candle to flip and range, can flip and continue down back into the range, because that's what price been doing. We're just ranging up and down. So yeah, we got 5 minutes left. If this candle actually close bullish, respecting, we never close bullish above, we close bullish respecting, the next candle open up, pop straight up first. Or even if we don't take any weak entry sells, we could wait until the candle flip bearish, because once the candle flip bearish, we got range going down towards 70. And now would I take a trade? Like the trade would be within the range, chat, because price just ranging. So on days like this, when price ranging, the breakouts, we avoid the breakout, chat, because you could look for tech buys. You could look for tech buys on the breakout, and price just, instead of price push up, price just fake out, and now we're back into the range once again. And clearly that's what price doing all morning, bro. We tap 41.80, we reject. We tap 41.67, and then we push back bullish, we reject again. So hopefully you understand that, chat. If this candle close bullish above in 4 minutes, next candle open up, push up first, tap 80, tap 41.80, like something like this. Yeah, we can either take weak entry sells, because you would expect the candle flip back bearish and continue back down into the range, or we could wait until the candle flip and execute sells on the candle flip. But yeah, that's like another idea I have, but we have to wait 3 minutes, see how this candle close. Up 41.80, so let's see if this candle going actually close above for the first time, because as you can see, try is just bare rejection. We try, price reject, we try it right here again, price reject, we try again, price reject. So let's see if this can be actually the first candle to close above the range. We're gonna wait and see, chat. And if this candle reject and push all the way back down, don't be surprised, chat. If we fall back all the way back down into the range, don't be surprised, because that's what price doing all morning, bro. Here's something like this. So chat, basically we're gonna be like, that's why I'm add like a second, like an extra confirmation to the buys, chat. We're gonna be very careful, because I don't know if this is the actual like breakout. But what we can do for confirm it, chat, we can wait a minute to see if we actually get a closure above the range instead of just FOMO into buys now. I'm going to wait and see if we actually get a closure above. Next can go open up, push down first, top like 81, or even if we break 81, that's still good. Once the can go flip bullish, we could look for buys going up. But yeah, we're going to need an actual closure above the range first though. Got to have 30 seconds. Let me see. Alright, chat. So we close bullish above the range. So yeah, before I take any buys, chat, we I need to see this candle print a bottom wick top 80, 41.80. If not, and we just push up first and fill the range, then we just get some new levels mark up. But yeah, chat, this candle, what I want to see this candle flip bearish and push down first. If we flip bearish and push down, and for whatever reason this candle push back up and we flip back bullish, then that would be the buys going up. But this candle open up and the first thing we do, we just start push up. So we just have to avoid that. Fill the range. But this was a clean range though, chat. Like this right here was a clean range going up. But even though it was a clean range going up, as I can see, we still need entry confirmation. So that's why I never enter. But yeah, it was still good though. To like what? 45. And if I should just push up, let me see. 91, 41, 91. So chat, we're gonna be very careful here, cause see this candle we open up and we push up first. This hourly candle we can still flip bearish at any point. And even though we close above the range, this is where like could happen. Even though this candle will close above the range, we push up and we fill the range. If this candle flip bearish, we start to get closures above 80. We start to get closures below 80, chat. The sales idea still valid if we go down back into the range. Cause this would be like once this candle print a high, if this is just a high, if this candle just print a high flip bearish, we're still good. Once we get closures below, we're still good for go down and fill the range. So we have to be careful, chat. This might just be a fake out. So yeah, in order to confirm this won't be a fake out, we're going to need this candle to print structure. So for example, this candle will open up, we'll start to push up. What I mean by structure, chat, we need to see this candle push up, reject, we never flip, because remember this is the candle flip right here, chat. Once if it don't flip, we push up, reject, push up again, re-break the highs, retest once again, and we'll push up and we'll rebreak the highs for a second time. Now we have structure, chat. This is what I call structure. So even if we're going to take buys, we're going to need to see this candle print structure on the way up, and we haven't done that yet. So yeah, don't be surprised if this candle actually flip bearish, because we have no structure on the way up. But if we do print structure on the way up and we don't flip bearish, then we could use, once this happen, chat, once this happen, then we could take buys. But yeah, all right, so look, this can go open up, we'll push up, so we'll say, chat, we'll open up, we'll push up, then we'll reject. So we'll see. Basically, this is all like you re-engineer the candle, chat. We'll push up again. Well, can't even draw a straight line. Basically, what I'm doing, chat, my mentor teach me this. Basically, I call this like just a re-engineer the candle. Like, you see, based on how the candle print right now, remember I'm telling you, like, we're going to need structure. If this candle going to continue up, we're going to need structure. So I just draw what price doing right now. That's all I'm doing. Once you draw it out, then you're going to get a better understanding. So we open up, we push up, we reject, and then we push up again, then we reject again. This just give you a better understanding of it, like better understanding of the candle structure, chat. It might look like it don't make sense, but trust me, it do. Like if I just draw it out, you're going like have a better understanding. I can do it without draw out every single thing, but I just want to show you something. It's just something I'm gonna learn. Let me see the rebreak at the high. The rebreak at the high, how much is that? The rebreak at the high going up, that's a 28 pip range. That would be bad. And the reason why I'm say that, chat, is because look at the structure. Look at the structure, chat. If this candle actually push back up and rebreak its highs, the buys going up will be good. And the reason why I'm say that, because even though we haven't flipped bearish, even though this candle haven't flipped bearish, as you can see, we push up, we push back down, we push back up once again. Then after we rebreak the lows, this low what we did printing at the past, we rebreak that low and we push further down. So if this candle, see this candle sealer, let me use this. If this candle actually rebreak its highs, chat, the buys going up would be bad. If it does understand the structure where price are print. So yeah. But the range going up is like a 30 pip range, so that's good. So chat, you know me I do, chat, I don't even want to delete all of this, but me have to delete it right now. But chat, may I place buy stop on the rebreak of this candle high. If me can get a chance, I got buy stop at 4188.40, chat. Yeah, 4188.40. Basically the rebreak of the hourly candle high. Basically, chat, if this hourly candle rebreak is high, so just got activated just now. Yeah, would basically expect a range fill. This is like a 30 pip range going up, and obviously we never flip bearish, chat. But even though this candle never flip bearish, we print structure on the way up. I just draw it out just now. This candle was here for print structure and push up and rebreak its highs. So now we expect like once price rebreak its highs, we should get a pop go up towards 91. So yeah chat, just got activated just now. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade, because that's the most important thing. Yeah, stops, when I put stops on the low, let me measure it. That's like 300, this are 200. Only can go flip 60, range going up 30. Alright chat, so basically I'm gonna put stop on the hourly candle low, not the hourly, the 4-hour candle low. And yeah, if price start to close back into the range, then we would manage risk. But for right now, we're good. Hopefully I understand like the idea behind the trade chat. And yeah, stops on the low. Let me get the exact level. Yeah, 4158.43. That's where I got my stop loss. We got what, 20 minutes left until we close. This 5 minute, this 50 minute candle close in 5 minute 5 minute candle print a low. I think we print a low first, then we print a high, get activated, then we close back bearish. So it's still good chat. We got 4 minutes left. Once this candle close bullish above the range in 4 minutes, if we close bullish above the range, we're still good. And the range going up chat, as I said before, it's a 30 pip range going up. So that's not bad. Yeah. So we're rebreaking highs once again. Nice. Minute candle close above chat. Once we tap 91 chat, I'm going to close full. Once we tap 91, I'm going to close full. And if you don't want to close full, you could close half, close 80%, put stop loss to break even, do whatever. But now this is a risk-free trade chat. This is a risk-free trade. We haven't tapped 91 as yet though. We followed close, but this is a break. This is a risk-free trade. Stop. Why the fuck, bro? This is a risk-free trade. Stop loss to break even chat minimum. 4188.94. So yeah, I just placed stop loss at break even just now chat. Can we survive? Nice, we're rebreaking the highs, and as I'm saying chat, if we tap 91, that would be I would close full. Alright, basically I'm still in chat, still in. Can we rebreak the highs one more time? Nah, just another rebreak of the highs. Price has struggle. Alright, since price has struggle chat, I'm out right there. I'm closing full right there. And we basically tap. Nice. So chat, that was the trade. TP gets smacked. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade though, because that's the most important thing. Yesterday we take a loss, but don't worry chat, consistency over time will fix that, bro. As long as we stay consistent, we'll be able to recover this 180 pip L in no time. But yeah chat, I'm out this trade chat. I'm out. That was clean. Let me journal that real quick. So that was an entry of the rebreak of the highs. It was a rebreak of the 30-minute candle highs. Yes, the candle never flip bearish chat, but we still add like a confirmation to it. Hold on, let me see some. So chat, hopefully I understand like the breakdown. Let me show you one more time, because want to understand chat. Yeah, we win the trade. This was like 30 pips, but this is not the most important thing. You have to understand the idea behind the trade. So look, remember was talking about, we have a level right here. We have a level right here at 81. This is resistance. We have a level right here at 68. We have a level right here at 68. This is support. You see me? Clearly you can see price push up, we reject, we push up again to the resistance, we reject. We tap the support, we push up, we tap the resistance, price reject, we tap the support, we push up. But this time we get a closure above the range. After we get a closure above the range, that wasn't enough for me to take buys, chat. I was expecting this candle, this current 30-minute candle, to flip bearish and print a low at 80. As you can see, this previous candle before it push up, was able to print a low. Same thing, we was able to tap this level, candle reject, we get a top wick off the next candle. So we was always able to print a low, chat. But we add like a extra confirmation to it, and this is the part but I want you to understand, chat. The extra confirmation, mentor teach me this, by the way. All we did basically, we wait until this hourly candle, this 30-minute candle open up. We print a high first, right? We never flip bearish. We never tap 80. We print a high first. After we print a high, this can go reject, but even though we reject, we never flip bearish, because right here says the flip. We never flip bearish. Price reject, price push up, price push back down, price push back up, price break the lows, and then price range a little bit, and then price pop. And then after I see this pop chart, I put buys on the rebreak at the high, which would be right here. This was the rebreak at the high. Yeah, reason why I'm gonna do that is because even though this candle never flip bearish, we have structure. Price push down and we push back up. If we rebreak the highs, we're still good. We have structure in the candle even though we never flip bearish and print a bottom wick. So that was the idea behind the buys. This 30-minute candle has no bottom wick, but we still print structure within the candle. So once we rebreak the highs, we should be able to fill the range easily. So yeah, hopefully I understand that, chat. So buys was a little bit higher and the rebreak of the highs, and once price push up, rebreak the highs, I think we get like a next bearish closure, and then we get that quick pop. But yeah, chat, that's how you re-engineer the candle. You can look at the 30-minute time frame and tell what's going on the 5-minute. So that's all we did. So let me journal this trade real quick. This was a rebreak at the high of the 30-minute time frame. It wasn't a breakout, it was a range fill. Cause this is the breakout, chat. This is the breakout right here. If price push up, this would be the breakout. But as you can see, this was within the range, or future was within the range from 88 to 91. So it wasn't a breakout. What time was that though? What time we get activated? I think it was 9:03. Alright, let me journal that real quick. Here when 28. Yesterday did a bank holiday, chat. My trade yesterday, I made like 30 pips yesterday, but I never journaled that though, because even though I won, it was off stream, so I don't think it's fair to put that in the journal. Yeah, cause we all gonna recover together. Any trade me take, I don't journal it, chat, if it's an off stream trade, cause that's not fair to the viewers. Sila 9:03 a.m. That was NY. That was gold. That was a buy. It was a rebreak at the high. It was a range fill. price push back into the range. Yeah, that was off the 30-minute time frame. That was a dub. That was 30 pips. Bro, why I think, bro, I should have got piss me off. Let me make this green chat. And also the drawdown. We had drawdown on that trade. I think we did. We had a little bit of drawdown. Entry was off the rebreak of the highs. That is Kango print structure. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we had 40 pip drawdown on this trade chat. 40. Cause I calculate my max drawdown. I keep track of that too. Cause basically date, time, session, pair, whether either I take buy or sell, entry type, setup type, time frame, win or lose, how much pips my win or how much pips my lose, max drawdown, pineapple, daily bias and total. So yeah, max drawdown was 40, 0 pineapple. I'm bearish for the day, chat. I'm bearish. If they will take buyers, I'm bearish for the day. And yeah, that was what? That was, I think that was 30 pips. But let me hold on, chat. Let me make this calculate automatically. I think you have to do this. Wait. Let me fix this real quick. I think you have to do this and then insert. Is it insert? Yeah. And then insert, you go to function and then you click sum, and then that's how you do it. So this trade was minus 180. I think this was day before yesterday. So and this trade we take today was 30 pips. So no, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it wrong. We put in minus 180. But yeah, chat, you know, I'm just realize this should be down further. It should be down further. Hold on, cause this is the 27th. We never stream. The 27th was bank holiday, so we never stream on the 27th. Today is the 28th, so this should be down. This should be down. But that, make this green again, and no, not 30, 40. That was the max drawdown, and 0 pineapple. So I'm gonna click O. And yeah, I'm bearish for the day, even though that buys. Minus 180. I'm gonna remove that. Alright, chat. So yeah, yesterday we lose 180 pips and we make 30 pips today. So now we're down 150. Yeah. So that's it, chat. This is the weekly total. Let me fix that too. And this is how I edit my journal, chat. Like, people always ask me how I get my journal like this. Basically edit everything. It's easy though. Let me put like the weekly total all the way across. Alright, that is it, chat. So yeah, that's the journal. That trade. Oh, the time. Let me fix the time. 9:30. 9:03. Sorry. I'm gonna remove this. Alright, there we go. Alright, yeah, chat. So that's the journal. You see me? That's the trade. Hopefully you guys understand the idea behind the trade. But yeah, W stream. If you enjoy the stream, chat, you can just drop a like so YouTube can promote the stream to more people. But yeah, consistency, chat. Consistency and time, chat. We will recover. You just have to show up every day, you know, and don't over risk. But within time, chat, yeah, I promise you, we're gonna recover from this 180 people. And we're not even down. We're up crazy, but you already know, chat. Yeah. If anybody have no questions, they can ask the questions because I'm about to end stream. But that was, hopefully everybody understand the idea behind the trade though, chat, because can't stress that enough. That's the most important thing. Let me say something. Nah, hold on, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I must trip me a trip. Hold on, before I'm crash out, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna double check. Oh, just checking now. Good. Alright, chat. So yeah, I'm about to end stream, chat. So headphone dead. Yeah, chat. That was a W trade, W stream. You can just leave a like on your way out, and yeah, we're gonna be here Monday again, and we'll continue to follow the plan. Yeah, chat. Day before yesterday was a rough day, but as I'm gonna say, consistency fixes everything, chat. Consistency was a yeah. So me soon tomorrow, chat. You can just leave a like on your stream, and respect to everybody who followed out. Respect. But yeah, that is it for right now, chat. Me soon on Monday. Monday, same time, same place. Love and respect.